Now see what happened. This is my employee details table. Requirement is that what I want to extract only Praveen. Now how to extract? See where name equal to Praveen. So see here you need to understand what uppercase is there, mixed case there. Now which one will get? Which one will get?
Only uppercase.
So only upper because data in the database in Snowflake is case sensitive. Next thing what they want only small Praveen. How to get only small Praveen? So put so where? So see small Praveen we can able to. Okay, this is the functionality. So far good. So next question, see the next question. Let me take the screenshot. Important lesson. Okay, see. So we use regular this topic in our day-to-day project. You know, see the same thing. So first one, second one are straightforward. But see next one, what if it is uppercase or if it is lowercase, I want to get it. Now we should go for what concept? Tell me. See, now let me help you the function. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
okay, see the same thing. Now go for a name. Okay, name column. Okay. Now what they want, if it is a small case or if it's capital case, I want to bring the data. One more time, see now what happened. So see, they want to extract first record, third record, fifth record, sixth and seven. So far we discussed what our data in the database is case sensitive and exact matching. If it's Praveen only, it will give the Praveen record. So this is fine. Now what happened? Let me help you the functionality. Let me go back here, see what happened. So see now we are trying to convert our entire data to uppercase. Now what is upper? Tell me anybody. What exactly it will do?
It will convert the value into uppercase.
So it will convert permanently or temporarily?
Temporary.
Temporarily, because in select statement, it will not be permanent. So this is for temporary. See, we are trying to convert our entire data into capital case. Now see the data, important, see. Now tell me this Praveen matching a matching. So third record matching a matching. So this record matching a matching. So we are trying to convert our data into capital case. See the same thing. Let me same thing. So control V. Now what happened? So see here. See, so simple thing, we are trying to our converting our entire database data into capital case. So where upper of name equal to Praveen. Now tell me now what will happen? Anybody guess? What will happen?
Only those records with Praveen in caps will get updated. I mean,
No,
will
no,
be.
what which record will get? Tell me which record will get. See this data line number. First record will come.
Yeah.
Suppose see ID. 1 second. Now tell me now which one will get. See, so we are
ID.
converting this data to uppercase. So Praveen equal to Praveen. Okay, what about the third one? It will come or not? No, no, simple thing.
No,
See, no, why
no,
no?
no.
Why no? Why?
First one will come, third one will come.
Fifth one.
Fifth one space. Fifth one will come.
The simple thing, what? No, we are taking this data and internally converting to all thing into uppercase, uppercase. So tell me upper Praveen equal to upper Praveen, true. So what about this one? What will convert? So we are converting this column data into uppercase, not with Praveen. So see, now first one will get, third one and fifth one will get. Not a point. See, simple thing. See, if you're not able to understand, if I put like this, what? So we are matching exact data, Praveen. But what we are trying to do, we are trying to convert our data into what case? Data into capital case,
Uppercase.
uppercase. Okay, same thing you can convert into lower case also. So Control C, Control V. Now I am trying to convert into lower case. Now what happened? Now same thing. Now let me make it to small case. Now tell me now what will get? Will get. So we'll get this three records. Simple thing you need to understand. We are internally converting into for temporary purpose. I'm trying to convert this data so that data will be exact matching. This is the functionality. But what happened? What they want? They want sixth record. So why sixth record is not getting anyone?
Space is there.
Space.
Tell me.
There is space in me.
Okay, see, so see spaces.
Spaces are there, sir.
How to remove the spaces? Based on which
Trim.
concept?
Trim.
So trim function.
Yeah.
So see, so name, comma, trim. So trim what will remove? It remove the spaces the both sides. It will try to remove. See spaces. Okay, see sixth line spaces are they try to remove. Now what happened? Now what is the next step? We need to trim the spaces. How to trim the spaces with the help of trim function. So trim bracket open bracket close. We are trying to convert our data into capital letters. Okay, so see now, so speed. Okay, this one coming, this one coming. But what happened? They want seventh record. Seventh record, why it is not getting populated? Tell me what is the reason?
We
What
have the
is the reason?
spaces in between.
Tell me what is the reason?
Spaces or in between.
So in between, how to remove the spaces in between by which concept?
Replace.
So replace concept. We should go for replace concept. Okay, so got the pointer. So let me go back here. Go for replace. Okay. Simple thing, select Praveen is there. Okay. Now see what happens. Spaces are there before and after. How can remove? We can go for trim function. So trim function will remove before and after the word. But what happened? I want to remove the spaces in the middle. Now see what happened. We should go for what concept? We can go for replace concept. So replace what? Replace space with X. If I put what happened, you get wherever spaces we get X's. But what happened? I want to remove it. What I should do? Simply, so we already discussed, just we are trying to make it working. So same concepts here also. So we want to get the spaces record. How to get the space record? Go for a replace concept. Got a point. Replace what? Replace double quote with empty string. We are getting this record. Got a point. So this is the concept of, so see, so we are trying to convert our data to capital case, so or lowercase, and trimming the spaces and replacing in the middle. So this is straightforward. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 straightforward. Now see the same thing. Let me try to explain one more use case. Flipkart application. I'm trying to take the Flipkart application. See, I'm searching for, see what happened. This is small case. How many records came? 11,150 records came. So take duplicate session. Now search for uppercase. Tell me how many records came? How many records came? Same records are 11. Same thing, copy the same functionality, duplicate session. Search for mixed case. Now how many records came? Same data. Tell me, but what happened in Oracle in our Snowflake? Okay, suppose if I put mixed case, it work? Tell me it work?
No, it will not
No,
work.
because in our database, it is exact matching. So, but here what happens, see the same thing. If I search for uppercase, if I search for lowercase, it's working. Now, what we are trying to do, tell me the query, suppose like Flipkart. So select the star from Flipkart, where category, what exactly? So we are trying to convert upper of category, okay, equal to upper of phone. So this is so far good. Okay. So we are trying to convert whatever the user entering, we are trying to convert into the same thing. Suppose I'm having some spaces. Tell me how to remove the spaces. We should go for what concept? Go for
Regular. Replace.
replace a trim function. We can go for the function. This is normal behavior. Now see one more important. Now I'm searching for phone. It is giving 1150. Suppose I'm searching for mobile. It's giving how many records? How many records giving? Same records, huh? Tell me, mobile also giving same records. So phone also giving same records. Tell me if instead of Praveen, okay, instead of Praveen, if I search for Kumar, will get data.
No, no.
No, because in our database, so it is exact matching. Okay, so case sensitive and exact matching. But what happened here? What if I search for phone, it is giving same result. If I search for mobile, it is giving same result. Now, how to make it working? So see now what happened? What's the concept here? One pattern. Mobile is pattern. Okay, suppose. Okay, suppose like PHON. Tell me, see, it's giving same result. Huh? If I search for PHONE, same result. If I said this is giving same result. Now here one pattern concept is there. What is the pattern concept?
Exact matching.
That is what pattern matching, nothing but what's the keyword? What
Like.
operator? Like operator.
Like
So now we're
operator.
discussing like operator. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay, like operator. Okay, so simple thing. What happened? Now see the same thing. See like operator we are trying to do this. Okay, so see here what happened. So once we see this question, so see up to here no issues. But what happened when I see fourth task? They want to get first record, third record, fifth, sixth, seventh. This is one. But they want to get eighth record. But Praveen is there at the last. But what discussed in the database? It is exact matching case sensitive. But what happened? Praveen is at the middle. I know some part of this thing. How to have some part of the thing? We should go for what concept? Go for what concept? Go for
Like
pattern matching. That is like I know pattern. That is Praveen. Wherever Praveen is there, try to make the functionality. Got the point? Simple thing. Okay. 1 second. We'll prepare the data. Like this only. See. Almost like what? See, we are completing what? So SQL commands, filtering concept, sorting, string functions, set operators, backup. So now we're discussing pattern matching. Okay, so see, let me go back here. Now let me take the data. So prepare data whenever working, prepare data and make it working. Okay. So Control C, Control V. Okay. See where name like R percentage. Now see what happened R percentage. Now tell me what exactly happening here.
Name starting with R.
Tell me what happening here.
Name starting with
starting
R.
with R.
After R, whatever we have, it will fetch.
You see, after R, what happened? Whatever we are start, see, R should be compulsory. See, R should be compulsory. Percentage is nothing but it's a wild character. Okay, so wild character. Nothing but what? Percentage nothing but it's a zero matching. One matching. Compulsory R should be there. Suppose you're not able to understand. So Control V. So R, RA, RAA. Okay, now see what happened. Now try to take the same query. So put the sorting. How to perform sorting? By using what? By using order by 1. Now see, compulsory what should be there? R should be there. Next to it can be no matching, one character matching. So 2. So here R should be compulsory. Percentage is an okay. See nothing but what? It's a zero matching. Compulsory R should, it can be next one. It can be any digit matching digit. Okay, same thing. Now copy the same thing. Control C. Now put percentage A. Now tell me now what happened. Tell me now this is what.
Ends with A, can have any
Ends
number of
with A.
characters before
So
A.
starting should be what? It can be anything. But what happened? Ending should be compulsory. A should be there. Okay, see A should be there. Okay. Same thing, copy the same functionality. Now I am putting percentage A percentage. Now what is tell me?
A will be in between the data,
Can you
like
tell me?
anywhere in between.
Starting and ending can be any.
Not starting ending. So A should be compulsory. It can be starting letter, first character. So A should be compulsory. It can be anywhere. So suppose like we have single character. Tell me it will come or not? Suppose
will
I'm having
come.
single character. Okay. So ARA, only A. Now tell me, what happened? Now tell me small, only single A will come or not? Yes or no? Single A?
Come, sir.
It will come. It will come. It will come. Single A come. No, so A should be compulsory. It can be starting. It can be single cat. Okay, so here percentage A, percentage nothing but what? Anywhere A should be there. It can be starting or it can be ending. Okay. But if you see R should be compulsory, should be at the end compulsory. Okay, same is the functionality. So one more wild character is there. See what happened now. See R 1 underscore 2 underscore 3 underscore. Now see what happened. R should be compulsory. Now what came tell me? Nothing but what? Here underscore is also one more wild character. One underscore equal to at one character or one digit. Suppose I put two, so nothing but what? So two characters. Suppose if I put three underscore nothing but what? Compulsory three characters. So here percentage is an optional, but it's a mandatory. One more time, let me copy the same thing, control V. Now I'm putting two underscore, nothing but what? Compulsory length should be what? Length should be what? Anyone?
Two
Two.
characters.
Two
Compulsory
characters.
length should be two characters. It can be anything or it can be anything. Or starting should be compulsory what? A or B?
Any characters.
It
Any
can
character. But what happened? Length should be compulsory two. What the point of this is the functionality. Same thing. Let me copy the same functionality. Now I am putting so four underscore nothing but so it should be 4-digit character. Okay, so four. Okay. Suppose what happened? Suppose I put A. Now tell me what is the thing? Total length should be what? Total length should be
4.
Four.
4.
what about first character?
Any character.
Any character,
Second
anything.
character should be A.
Second
Sec-
character should be
second-
compulsory. Good.
Yeah.
Second character should be anything, no? Compulsory. That's not a functional case. Here, percentage is an optional thing. Okay, but underscore is a compulsory thing. Now let me come to the topic. What they want. See, what's our table name? I forgot my table name. How to display of tables? Show
Tables.
show tables. Okay, see, there are so many tables are there, but I know starting E, ending E. Now, what happened? E, percentage E. Now, how to go for pattern concept? Go for like E, percentage E. Got a point? Yes or no? Got a point?
Yes.
E percentage is nothing but what? Starting should be, ending should be. Okay. Suppose if I want to get only this data, how to get only this data? Anyone? You can put one. How many underscore should put? How many underscore?
5.
3, 4,
6.
5, 6.
6.
1, 2,
Six.
3, 4, 5, 6. Now, like this way. So this one we use regularly because in our day-to-day project will be okay, hundreds and 200 tables will be there. Or 500 plus tables are there. We can't able to go for what pattern matching concept. Okay, same thing. Now see the same thing. Okay, what the table we created? On the table. Okay, which table? Employee. Now what happened now? If it is uppercase, lowercase, I want to make it. How to make it? Where upper of name equal to Praveen. Okay, so this is the function. Same thing. Next thing is that what? Control C, Control V. Next one is that what? Now I want to remove the spaces. How to remove the spaces? Go for so trim function. Okay. How to remove the spaces in the middle? We should go for what concept? Go for what? Go for replace concept. Okay, so replace. So replace concept. Okay, same thing. This is so far good. But what happened? They want to get the 8th record. That is what? So wherever Praveen is there, make it working. Nothing but what? This is what concept? What concept? This is what?
Substring.
Not substring.
Pattern.
No. We
Pattern.
discussed what? Okay, from the past 20 minutes, we discussed again go for substring. Yeah? Tell me. This is what concept? Tell
Pattern.
me. I know. Pattern. No,
Pattern
so,
matching.
no. So see, we discussed 20 minutes now. Again, we're saying different topic. See, this is pattern. No, this is the pattern. Pattern. I'm not extracting. I want. So this is not extracting. If I am extracting, go for substring. Now this is what filtering. See. So don't get confused. What is substring? That is for extracting some part of thing. Now I'm not extracting. I'm filtering or fetching. Now we should go for what concept? Like what? Percentage. Got the point. So this is the function. Pattern matching. Now what about last one? Tell me. What about last one? What about last one? Other than Praveen, I want extract. How do you extract? Tell me. Simple
Not
thing.
equal to
Suppose like if
Praveen.
I want to get first record, we'll get 1. I don't want, I see simple thing. So select the star from, so you need to understand the functionality, okay? Suppose what happened where ID in 1, it will give only first record. I don't want first record. So instead of first record, I want to get all the record except first record. Should go for what? Go for not
Not.
in.
Okay.
Same thing here also. What I want to extract. See what they want. What they want. Kumar, they want Ram. Other than Praveen, I want to get all the record. You should go for what concept instead of like go for not
Not like.
not like. So pattern matching, not like. Okay, see now see the same thing. Now see if we we are using regular use case. Now if you see now I'm searching for PHON. Nothing but what where upper of category like percentage phone. So it can be anything. It's a pattern matching. So filtering concept, pattern matching. Now this is what two-cat concept, concat concept. This is what sorting concept. So see, whatever we are discussing, the same concept we are trying to make it work. Getting a little bit? Getting a little bit?
Yes, Praveen.
Okay.
Praveen, one question. For suppose like a record is right, Praveen underscore like Kumar.
Praveen,
Praveen underscore Kumar. If
which record?
table data you have, how can we fetch that? Like for suppose example A3 card, instead of space we have underscore Praveen underscore Kumar underscore Praveen.
To Kumar underscore Praveen. Huh?
Ah,
See what happened. Okay, see.
in the table data Kumar underscore Praveen.
So insert into so employee details. So values, okay, so 10 comma, so P underscore P, this one.
Yes.
So tell me, did it work directly? Underscore work? This one underscore work?
No.
Tell me underscore work or not?
While inserting, right?
No, not inserting. See, question is that what? So suppose your question is that what? Okay, see, if I put underscore, question is that what? It will access what? Underscore nothing but what? Either wild character or discard your question, I guess. That was your question, huh?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, see, so for this purpose, what? See, select. So directly it won't work. Okay, see, the employee details. Okay, where replace. Okay, or you need to go for again. Replace of name. Name is replace of name. Wherever hyphen is there, I am trying to replace with. Okay, we need to do some extra thing. Okay, directly it won't work. Okay, suppose like I'm putting with something like dollar symbol. Okay, equal to this one I will type. Okay.
No, that is underscore, not icon.
Hyphen. Okay, now what happened? We need to go for one more iter query and we need to make it valid. Okay, like this. Here, we need to put one column. One, two. Okay, ma? This one, expected. This one you're expecting. This one correct? So we should do a little bit tricky. Okay, so I'll try to give simple way. So this one, so we need to go for what exactly I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to make it underscore with the dollar symbol and I'm going for like pattern. Because now what happened? If I put underscore nothing but what, tell me to treat as a wild character, treat as underscore. Tell me here. Anyone?
It will treat as single character.
It's like normal, nothing but it's a wild character, we can say. But what happens, it's not. So we want to say that it's not a wild character. So we should go for this extra function. I'll try to do one simple. I'll try to say make it simple. For the quantum. So this is so far good. So we should do like tricking, like ultimately what we need to get the answer. See, so something at least I'll try to get something. This is the function. So this is so far good. Now come to some intro questions. See the same function. Okay. Now name start with R and the total line should be 4. Now tell me what.
R and 3 underscores.
Okay, see. So name should start with R, nothing but what? Let me take the data is already available. So select star from EMPT. Okay. So EMPT name start with what? Where what? Name. Name. Like. Tell me like.
R and 3 underscores.
Proceed. Like R 1, 2, 3 underscore. Okay, this is so far. Okay. Now instead of underscore, is there any way? Tell me instead of underscore, is there any way? Simple thing. So can I go tell me? So length should be. How to find length? So see. So R percentage nothing but what? Compulsory should be starting with R. It can be anything. And what? And the length of name equal to 4. Got the point? This is the way. Okay. See. So this is one way. Not there are no records. Huh? This is our table. Huh? EMP. So this is the functionality. Suppose question is that what sometimes what I don't want to go for pattern matching. Is there any way? So requirement is that what? So name should start with R and total line should be 4. I don't want to go for what? I don't want to go for like thing. We should go for what concept?
Substring.
Tell me how to extract first character. How to extract first character.
First, use 1.
So see where? Tell me where. Okay, substr. So you need to use the concept substr 1 comma 1 equals to R. It is the first character. But what about this length? How to find the length? And length of name equals to 4. So without using pattern matching also, I am trying to achieve the functionality. Okay. So this is so far good. Now same thing, let me go for one more question. Tell me here what happened. List of names start with S and end with R. Tell me what.
S percentage R.
Okay, S percentage R. Without suppose like I don't want pattern match, then tell me. Tell me simple thing. Substr of name 1 comma 1 equal to S and substr of name comma minus 1 equal to R. Okay. Second character should be compulsory A. Tell me. Second character.
Underscore A.
Underscore A. That's it.
Percentage.
No. Underscore nothing but compulsory one character. Second character should be a percentage. So starting with R and total line should be 4. Then
Underscore A. Next two underscores, then percentage.
Starting
R percentage.
R and
starts
after
with
that
R and 3%. 3 underscore. No, simple thing. Okay, 3%. See, same thing what happened now. One more important thing. Okay, see the same thing. Okay, so this is two concepts have been covered. Okay. Now tell me. So see. Okay, so this is my table where student name like A percentage. What is A percentage? What is A percentage? Which will get, what records will get? Amit?
Start.
Amit,
First
tell me.
check.
Amisha. What about Ajit?
Akil.
Ajit will come or not?
No, case sensitive, not will come.
Case sensitive. Ajit won't come. Okay. What about C? All will get except Ajit will get remaining records. Okay, this is so far good. Submit yourself. Okay, now what about next one? Where student name like AMI underscore. What will get? Tell me.
Akhil and Aman.
Akhil and Aman, right? AMI.
First one.
Akhil and Amish.
Only Amit will come.
Only Amit will come.
Amit and Amish.
No. See.
Only Amit will come.
See, AMI is compulsory. AMI. But what happened? What is underscore? Tell me. You need to implement. Okay. See.
Only one character.
Only one character.
Match.
No. We'll get Amish. Will get no. Only
Amit,
get
Amit. Only
Amit. Only will
Only
get.
Amit.
Okay. Only Amit. Okay. So this type of question, tricky question, but you need to understand. So this type of question, if you give correct answer, only they try to take. Because otherwise, they try to say like you don't have strong SQL knowledge. Okay. See, Amit will come. So what about this one? Tell me. So we'll get Amit, Amisha, Akhil, and Aman. Now we are having minus concept. Okay, last we discussed minus concept. What is minus? Tell me. What will get?
result will come
Amisha, Akhil, and
first
Aman.
query, not from second query. It should not
Okay,
be
see, it should be available only the first result. It should not be second result. Now what happened? Tell me. Now what will get output?
Amisha, Akhil, Aman.
Amisha,
Except
Akhil,
Amit.
except Amita. What about
Amish.
Ajit? Ajit will come or not?
Won't come. Case
Won't
sensitive.
come. Okay, see, okay. Amisha, Akhil, and Aman. Suppose I want to give proper naming. How to give proper naming? Where I should give proper naming?
Alias name.
At where? At the part first or second?
First itself.
First cell. If I want to perform sorting, where I should be starting?
Second.
Okay.
Second.
Last.
At the last statement. Got the point. So step by step, see what happened. Here you need to understand what, okay, see Amit, Amisha, Ajit. Okay, here you need to two concepts. One is pattern matching concept. This is a functionality. But see what happened, you're getting confused. So we'll get only Amit, Amisha, Akhil, and Aman because it's a case sensitive. What about this one? This one you're getting confused. Just now 5 minutes back we discussed. See what happened? AMI, nothing but what? Compulsory AMI should be there. But what happened? Understand, but only one character should be there. One character. Got the point. Minus nothing but what? Suppose if instead of minus I put except. Nothing but what is the output for except?
same.
Same.
Amish,
Nothing but what?
Akhil, Aman.
Okay, see, same thing. Okay, Amisha, Akhil, and Aman. Why? Because except and minus are both functionality. But what is the difference? Tell me.
In
Okay, so
SQL developer, we will
come again.